Hello dear students, I am Trupti Rajamanya, Assistant Professor, Dayanand Institute of Pharmacy, Latur. Today through this presentation we are going to study pyrazole in detail, that is different methods of synthesis of pyrazole, chemical reactions of pyrazole and medicinal uses of pyrazole. As per our syllabus, we are going to study pyrazole, oxazole, imidazole and thiazole one by one. These are 5-membered heterocyclic compounds with 2 heteroatoms. These heteroatoms can be present either at 1 and 2 position or at 1 and 3 position in the ring. Pyrazole, isoxazole and isothiazole are the examples of heterocyclic compound which carry 2 heteroatoms at position 1 and 2. Pyrazole has 2 nitrogens as heteroatoms. Isoxazole carry oxygen and nitrogen as heteroatoms, while isothiazole has sulfur and nitrogen as 2 different heteroatoms. See the structures of pyrazole, isoxazole and isothiazole. Imidazole, oxazole and thiazole are the examples of heterocyclic compound containing 2 heteroatoms at position 1 and 3 in the ring. See the structure of imidazole. It carries 2 nitrogen as heteroatoms. Look at the structure of oxazole. As the name indicates, it carries oxygen and nitrogen as heteroatoms. Oxa means oxygen and azole means nitrogen, while thiazole has sulfur and nitrogen as heteroatom. In the name thiazole, thia means sulfur and azole means nitrogen. Look at the structures, resonance structures of 1,2-azoles. Resonance structures are 2 or more forms of a molecule having same chemical reactivity, but the electrons get circulated in the ring differently. Having multiple valid resonance structures makes a molecule energetically more stable. Pyrazole molecular formula C3H3N2H, that means it contains 3 carbons, 3 hydrogen, 2 nitrogens. Pyr means nitrogen. Azole also means nitrogen, that is the name pyrazole itself indicates presence of 2 nitrogens. Look at the structure of pyrazole. It is a heterocyclic compound having 2 nitrogen at position 1 and 2. The numbering must be started from the nitrogen which is saturated, while giving least possible number to the nitrogen which is unsaturated one. Pyrazole is a colorless solid. Melting point is 70 degrees Celsius. It is water soluble compound. The pyrazoles are called as pyrazolene. 3 different pyrazolines are possible. Those are 1-pyrazolene, 2-pyrazolene and 3-pyrazolene. In case of 1-pyrazolene, number 1 indicates position of a single double bond in the ring. All other atoms of the ring are completely saturated. Same is the case with 2-pyrazolene and 3-pyrazolene. 2 and 3 number indicates position of a single double bond of the ring. Remaining all members of a ring are completely saturated. Now we can see different methods of synthesis of pyrazole. First method, from acetylene and diazomethane. Pyrazole can be prepared by passing acetylene gas into a cold solution of diazomethane. Look at the reaction. Acetylene on reaction with diazomethane yields pyrazole. This is one of the simplest method to synthesize pyrazole. We can synthesize pyrazole from alpha beta unsaturated ketones or aldehydes. Look at the reaction. Acraldehyde upon reaction with hydrazine yields pyrazolene, that is 2-pyrazolene, which on further bromination yields pyrazole. Norpyrrole synthesis is one of the repeatedly asked question in university exam, and it is most important method to synthesize pyrazole. This method involves a reaction between 1,3-dicarbonyl compound and hydrazine or its derivative. A simple pyrazole is obtained with 1,3-dicarbonyl compound with phenyl hydrazine. Look at the reaction. Acetyl-acetone on reaction with hydrazine yields 3,5-dimethyl pyrazole with the loss of one water molecule. In this reaction, if we use phenyl hydrazine instead of hydrazine, then 3,5-dimethyl 1-phenyl pyrazole can be synthesized. Next method of synthesis, pyrazoles can be synthesized from 1,3-dipolar addition also. Look at the reaction. Methyl phenyl propionate on reaction with methyl diazoacetate yields 3,5-dicarbomethoxy 4-phenyl pyrazole and 4,5-dicarbomethoxy 3-phenyl pyrazole in equal amounts. Pyrazoles can be synthesized from other ring systems also. Various heterocyclic compounds transformed to pyrazoles under appropriate conditions. We can take one example. 3-phenyl syndone is heated at 70 degrees Celsius with acrylonitrile to give 1-phenyl pyrazole with the evolution of carbon dioxide gas. Syndones are the heterocyclic compound named after the city Sydney of Australia. It contains 2 nitrogens, 1 oxygen and 1 carbonyl carbon at position 5 in the ring. Now we are going to study how pyrazole reacts differently with different chemicals. We can proceed with alkylation reaction. As we all know, alkylation is substitution of alkyl group in the ring. The alkylation of free NH group of pyrazole proceeds with alkylating agents such as alkyl halides, diazomethane or dimethyl sulfate. Substituted pyrazoles undergo alkylation to give mixture of 2 isomeric products. Take an example. Pyrazole upon reaction with methyl iodide yields methyl pyrazole. Another example, pyrazole on reaction with acetyl chloride yields acetyl pyrazole. Next important chemical reactions of pyrazole are electrophilic substitution reaction. Electrophilic substitution takes place in basic or neutral medium at position 4. That means the electrophiles like chloro, bromo, nitro and sulfo groups are going to attach at position 4 in the pyrazole ring. We'll see these reactions one by one, starting with the chlorination reaction. Chlorination takes place in presence of sulfuryl chloride or free chlorine. Look at the reaction. Pyrazole upon reaction with sulfuryl chloride yields 4-chloropyrazole. Bromination of pyrazole can be carried out in presence of bromine or in presence of dioxane to yield 4-bromopyrazole. Pyrazole undergo nitration either in presence of concentrated nitric acid or in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid to yield 4-nitropyrazole. Next reaction is sulfonation reaction. Pyrazole undergo sulfonation in presence of pyridine sulfur trioxide complex to give 4-pyrazole sulfonic acid. This reaction can be catalyzed in presence of oleum instead of pyridine sulfur trioxide. Chloromercuration. Pyrazole reacts with mercury chloride to yield 4-chloromercury pyrazole. Now we'll see how pyrazole reacts with different oxidizing agents. The pyrazole ring is remarkably stable to the action of oxidizing agents, but the substituted pyrazoles can be oxidized to carboxylic acids. Oxidation proceeds in alkaline potassium permanganate. If we heat 3-methyl 1-pyrazole in presence of alkaline potassium permanganate, substituted pyrazole, that is 1-phenyl pyrazole 4-carboxylic acid, will be synthesized. Reaction with reducing agents. Pyrazoles can be reduced in presence of sodium ethoxide. Look at the reaction. Pyrazole reacts with sodium ethoxide to give a reduced moiety, that is 2-pyrazoline, which on further hydrogenation yields pyrazolidine. Pyrazolidine is a completely saturated pyrazole, that is, it does not carry any double bond. All the atoms of pyrazolidine are completely saturated. Medicinal uses of pyrazole. Pyrazole ring system is present in plenty of drug molecules. We can see few examples. Take an example of Cefacelyx. It is a antimicrobial agent which contains pyrazole nucleus in its structure. Phenylbutazone and feprazone are the examples of analgesic agents which also carry pyrazole ring in their structure. Dacarbazine and azathioprine are the anti-cancer agents which also contain pyrazole nucleus in their structure. Nirindazole and thiobendazole are the anthelmintic agents which also carry pyrazole ring in their structure. Tartrazine is another pyrazole moiety which is a dye used as a diagnostic agent. This is about pyrazole. Thank you.